guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about the relational database management concepts and the three different normalization forms, right? And today in this video, we are going to discuss about the data types and operators in SQL, okay? We have different types of data types for alphabet type of data types, numeric data types and date and time data types. So we'll discuss each and everything one by one. So let's get started with our video, okay? First of all, let us start with the definition of the data type. The data type is the property of a particular object that defines the type of data to be present within that object, okay? For example, consider a table with two columns, serial number and name. Here, the serial number column must have the data in numeric form, right? And the name column must have the data in alphabetical form. So, we must give different data types to these two columns, right? So, the type of data to be present within that object is defined as the data type, which must be given while the creation of the table in SQL, okay? We have different types of numeric data types in SQL. I have listed some of them here. We have big int, small int and tiny int for integers. Depending upon the size, you can use the different data types, okay? And the bit is for only 0 and 1, okay? And the decimal, float and real are for the decimal point values. Getting into date and time data types, we have mainly three types, okay? Date, date time and time. The date has the format of year, month and date. And date time, year, month and date, and for time, hour, minutes and seconds. And again for the data type time, we have hours, minutes and seconds, okay? These are the date and time data types. Now let us get into the string data types. We have two main string data types in SQL, char and varchar. Both char and varchar have maximum length of 8000 characters. The main difference between the char data type and the varchar data type is that while using the char data type, you can give the values of only the particular length which you have provided while creating the table. And while using varchar data type, you'll give the maximum length of that particular attribute, I mean the values for that particular attribute, and you can provide the values of any length up to that maximum length, okay? The varchar is used for variable character length and char is for fixed character length. For instance, consider a table having two columns, name and gender. For gender attribute, you know that the genders may be male or female, and consider you want to give M for male and F for female. Here you know that the number of characters would be 1, right? So here you can use the char for fixed length attribute, and varchar can be used for name where we do not know that the length may be 4 or the length may be 20, 50 or something. We do not know the length of any name, right? So in that case, you can use the varchar data type, okay? An operator is a reserved character used for performing certain operations. In SQL, we have three different kinds of operators. Getting started with the arithmetic operators. Before discussing the operators, let us consider two variables a and b whose values to be 10 and 5 respectively, okay? Firstly, getting started with the plus operator, which is used for addition of two operands. Okay, here we have two operands A and B. A is the left side operand and B is the right side operand, which when added gives the value 15. Okay, the plus operator adds the left operand with the right operand and produces the value. Okay, next, minus operand, minus operator. Minus operator is used for subtraction. The minus operator subtracts the left side operand with the right side operand. Okay, here we have left side operand to be A, whose value is 10, and right side operand B, whose value is 5. The 10 minus 5 gives the value 5. Okay, if you reverse the operands B minus A, it gives the value of negative 5. Okay, now getting into the star operator, which is used for multiplication, and here A star B gives 50. 10 into 5 gives 50. Okay, now getting into the division operator, it divides the left side operand with the right side operand. Okay, 10 by 5 gives the value 2. And finally, the last arithmetic operator is the modulus operator, which gives the remainder when the left side operand is divided by the right side operand. Okay, here we have A mod B, right? 10 when divided by 5 leaves the remainder 0, right? Now getting into the comparison operators. Again, let us consider the same values for the same variables. A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 5. We have different comparison operators here. The first one is equal to, it checks whether the left side operand is equal to right side operand or not. It returns true if they both are equal, otherwise it returns false. Here we have the operands 10 and 5, right? A and B, whose values are 10 and 5. Both are absolutely not equal, so the interpreter here returns false. Okay, and the second operator is not equal operator, which returns true as they both are not equal, right? And the next one is greater than operator. It checks if the left side operand is greater than the right side operand or not. Okay, here we have the left side operand A, whose value is 10, and right side operand B, whose value is 5. As 10 is greater than 5, it returns true. Okay, and the next operator is the less than operator. It returns true if the left side operand is less than the right side operand. Here the left side operand is greater than the right side operand, so it returns false. Okay, the next one is greater than or equal. Here it returns true even if the left side operand is greater than right side operand or the left side operand is equal to right side operand. Okay, here even if the value of A is 5, it returns true. Okay, and the next one is less than or equal to. It returns true if the left side operand is less than right side operand or the left side operand is equal to right side operand. Okay, here A is greater than B, so for A less than or equals to B, it returns false. Okay, now the next one is not greater than operator. Okay, it returns true if the left side operand is not greater than the right side operand. So here the left side operand A is greater than the right side operand, so it returns false. Okay, and the next operator is not less than operator. Here the left side operand is A and right side one is B. A is not less than B, so it returns true. Okay, so these are the different comparison operators we have. Now getting into the logical operators, we have different logical operators here. The first one is all. The all operator is used to compare a particular value with a set of values. Okay, it uses to compare a particular value with a set of values, the condition must be satisfied for all the values within the set. Okay. And the next operator is the AND operator, which is used while using multiple conditions. While using AND operator, the interpreter returns true only if all the conditions are satisfied. Okay. OR operator is also used for multiple conditions, but it returns true even if one of the condition is true. Okay. And getting into the any operator, it is similar to the all operator. It also compares the value with a set of values, but for all operator, the condition must be true for all the values within the set, but for any operator, it is enough if the condition is true for any one of the value within the set. Okay. And the next operator is the between operator. The between operator searches for the values between the given minimum and maximum range. Okay. And the next operator is the exists operator, which searches for the presence of a row in a particular table that meets the particular conditions. Okay. And the next operator is the in operator, which is used to compare, I mean to identify the values in a list of values. If that particular value exists in that particular list, then it returns true, otherwise false. Okay. And not, it is a negate operator. It can be used with all the logical operators. So if we use not with in, it returns true if that particular value is not in that particular list that we have given. Okay. And the next operator is null operator. It is used to check if a particular value is null or not. Okay. And the next one is the unique operator, which searches for the unique row of that particular table. Okay. Without, it returns the values without any duplicate values of a particular attribute. Okay. So that's all with the operators. We shall use all these operators practically while after learning the select statement, because these are used along with the select statement and where clause. Okay. So that's all about today's video. Let's meet in another video with the next topic. Okay. Bye.